In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wrike with Jira. We'll walk through this directly inside Wrike, so go ahead and open your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, start by heading to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. When the menu opens, look for the option called Apps and Integrations. This is the section where Wrike lets you connect to other tools like Jira. Go ahead and click on Apps and Integrations. It might take a second to load, especially if your workspace has a lot of available apps, so just wait until the gallery fully appears. Once you're in the Apps and Integrations area, you'll see a search bar or a list of categories. To quickly find what we need, click into the search field and type Jira. Make sure you spell it correctly, J-I-R-A, so Wrike can pull up the right integration. After a moment, you should see results related to Jira show up below the search bar. From the search results, look for the option labeled Jira via Wrike Integrate. This is the official integration that connects Wrike with Jira using Wrike's integration platform. Click on Jira via Wrike Integrate to open its detailed page. Here, you would normally see more information about what the integration does, such as syncing tasks, issues, and other data between the two systems. At this point, before you can actually finish setting up the integration, Wrike will let you know that you need to upgrade to a business plan first. The Jira integration through Wrike Integrate is not available on all subscription levels, so if you're on a lower tier plan, you won't be able to fully activate it yet. If you see this upgrade message, you have two options. You can talk to your Wrike account admin or your internal IT or operations team about upgrading the workspace to a business plan, or you can pause here and come back once the upgrade is complete. After upgrading, you would return to the same